Hey everybody, welcome back. In this series of videos, we're going to be going up to Quebec, and we're going to be checking out these 3 trail systems here. So I've had this place on my list for like the longest time. Finally got out to check them out, and boy, was I glad I did. Pretty off the radar, kind of underground set of trail networks here. I'm surprised I haven't heard more buzz about the riding out here, because it's just it's pretty freaking good. So the first zone we're gonna check out is called PARC NATURE ÉTUDES. So it's this little guy right here. So it has a mix of greens and blues, and a little more technical stuff on the back end here. So really didn't know what to expect going into it. Looking at the maps, it looked pretty flat, not a lot of elevation change, but when you get into the back end here, now there's definitely some pretty good character and kind of downhill sections and stuff. The stuff up here is really good for like families, and the dirt is kind of like a gravelly, rocky kind of mix, kind of like quarry dirt. It's like stuff you'd find on like a dirt bike trail. You just got to watch out. There's some spots that are a little bit loose and shaly, so it's a little bit different than like pure hard packed dirt. So all these trail systems are free to ride, but they do want you to register for the day. So you just go to this website here. It's organized by the local town, and then you go and register. So you just fill out your details here, you sign the waivers, and then just submit that. It's a video of crossing the road. That's another hotel too. All right, PARC NATURE ÉTUDES. Merci. Okay, right, so the first show we're going to do here is this little loop here called La Récré. So it's just the green loop, goes all the way around, comes back here, and then it finishes up in a little Skillz park. So we'll go check that out. Yeah, I wish, seriously. Okay, so this way, it's like a big loop goes around. There should be like it's like a little play park, bike park at the end of it. It's gonna be like wobbly. Oh, dude, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my God, not good. I literally just like, it's like in the middle of the trail now. Dude, the thing popped up like a freaking foot off the ground. It's like flat. It's all flat. Okay. Yeah, I mean, actually I haven't ridden because it's been so hot. Yeah. So it's like 5 days of not riding. You feel it. Plus I'm super tired. Whoa. That's like more elevation change than I thought. Nice. Whoa, dude. Huh. So if you come up here,
I'm gonna go slow because I don't want to like crack the plastic on my. Yeah. It's just. I want to do it. I just don't want to crack my plastic bash guard. I got to build a bike to be able to wreck it. Yeah, yeah, it's just that your suspension flexes, right? So it goes in no matter what. If you do it, you're gonna hit your bash guard big time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Not bad, man. It's a green. Pretty good. Has a lot more elevation change than I thought. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, kind of awkward. Again, right there. Yeah, I kind of have to come on the side. It's not really like a super cool feature or anything.
Yeah.
Just kind of stick left. There you go, there you go. Oh, Jesus, talking about hitting the bash guard.
I went down the wrong place.
Jeez, man. Well, you don't have to worry about hitting the bash guard now. That's been done. Yeah, so far, right? Yep. Like try to make something out of these like small features. Oh, nice. Long fucking bridge. Okay, so I think there's something here. Let's continue this way. Oh yeah, okay, so it's like a little Skillz park here. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, going up that? Yeah. Seriously, eh? Woo! Shit! Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Not quite. First bail.
Oh, no.
Yep.
Going down or going up?
Well, no, going up. Okay. What's up here? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's another skinny up here. A little skinny here. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Oh. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna do that one. Okay, right here. Oh, so, my balance is so bad. Okay, oh, no one here. Dude, where's this go? Nice. There's like a whole, there's like a Skillz park here. Oh, I'm gonna go do the other skinny. Okay, so this one's a little bit hairier. Oh, bro. There you go, nice. Oh, that's kind of cool, eh? Look at that, little like pump track. Let's go up here. All right, there's can't really do anything with these little rollers. Whoa! Yeah. Try this out. What's this? Okay. Something here. Try history here. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Woo. Right here. Oh yeah, nice big screw sticking out. It's awesome. I've probably got a tire full of nails now. Nice. You got it. Easy. There you go. There you go.
Okay, so we looped back and we went to try this little trail in the middle of the loop here called La Retenue. Basically very similar to La Récré, same topography. So I'm only going to show just a few clips of that pretty quick, and then we'll go out and get into this back end over here, which is super fun.
All right, so just came back and gonna do this little one. We'll see what it looks like.
All right.
This is a goat. I think it's yeah, it might be flat. I think we'll find out. Whoa!
That rock.
Nice roller. Whoa! What is this? Oh, dude! I think you can probably do that. Teacher. There you go. So again, just kind of a little meandering green trail in a nice forest with one or two features. Bridge. I can't tell the difference between this one and the other one. I mean, cute little trail though. Yeah, okay, there you go. So it comes out here. All right. Yep.
Okay, so we're just going to loop back on La Récré, and it's going to bring us to the trailhead for La Directrice right here. So we're going to do a full loop on that. Comes all around like that, and then we'll go and check out some of these trails after that.
Yep. So that's cool. So this is like a big loop, and then there's some offshoots, like a balloon, I think. I'll check it out when we find them.
Yeah,
but
nice.
yeah, okay. So yeah, this should like come around here. Probably try to do this one complete first. Nice. Honestly, really nice freaking trails for like family. Yeah, this is really scenic. Really nice forest in here. You doing that? I'm not. Oh yeah. Don't feel like it. So that's one of them, but I'm just gonna do this loop first. Teacher. This is a bad gear. This is nice, eh? Jeez. Let's go here. Whoa. Don't go on the right. Stay left. Okay, so yeah. Directrice, hang a left. Hard left. Yeah. Yeah. Fire it up. Fire it up. Yeah, nice little climber, right? Whoa, hey-oh. This is like, seems more like legacy stuff. Yeah. It's like a legacy, like mining road. Yeah, okay, that sounds about right. That Directrice, I think, is going to be straight. Examen. We'll come take these after.
Yeah.
So we'll go this way. I believe it's this way. Nice. So just cutting inside here, the fugue. Just a little like side hit here. Here we go.
Okay, so we just ended up coming out on Directrice. We looped back around, did the whole thing, and then we went to check out this trail called Notre Passage. Starts down low, and you do a big kind of tech climb all the way up, and then kind of come down here like that. So yeah, we'll go see what that one looks like.
Not the Passage. This is a blue, I believe.
Yeah, blue. Check it out. Blue, like climbing, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, like tech. Looks like tech a little bit. Tech climb. Oh shit. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, this is. C'est mieux l'autre sens?
Oui.
Oui. Ok, ça a l'air, hein? Merci. Ouais, ouais. Yeah, I mean, you know, with the e-bike, it's just like, who cares? Just makes it like a fun climb, a fun tech climb. Whoa, jeez. It's got a lot of little kind of momentum robbing rocks and roots. Whoa, shit. Yep. Watch out, roots. Oh, that's cool, man. That's nice. That's really nice.
That was cool.
That was really cool. Oh, tight friggin' corner, man. Watch out. Oh, dude. Yeah, this trail's kicking my ass. Where are we?
L'échange. Notre Passage.
Okay, so let's just check it out.
All right, so we're just at a little intersection here between Notre Passage and La Reprise. So as you start going down, they kind of share the entrance. Just make sure to hang a right. It's a little bit hidden if you want to continue down on Notre Passage. So we're gonna go and finish that one. We'll come back up and then we're gonna do La Reprise after.
This will be Notre Passage. We just went down, we took a left, went down La Reprise. We're gonna do finish up Notre Passage. So if you come here, you just gotta stick right if you want to continue on Notre Passage, which is a highly tech. Corner. Oh man, that is so tempting. I don't know, man. I don't know. That's a derailleur though.
Right?
Or that's a derailleur ripper. Let's keep it PG for the kids.
Yeah.
I am so tempted though. There we go. Okay.
So John's gonna do the.
Got it.
Got it. Nice.
It's actually not bad.
Okay, so the end of Notre Passage ends up leading into the end of Examen. You can kind of continue into it, and it's a big climb all the way up to the top of it right here, where you have a downhill after that. I'm not going to show any of the climb here. It's pretty typical stuff. We're going to go back up, and then we're going to do La Reprise. So the next clip will be that, and then we'll come back up and do the downhill portion of Examen.
La Reprise. There's a little rock feature here. Oh yeah, that's hanging to left. Oh, this is so nice. Sick. Nice little rock roll, man. There's a feature to the right. Yeah, right here too. Hang it right. Oh, fuck. Oh, dude. Oh. You don't know the trails? You don't know the trails. Oh, I know, eh? Not bad. Nice little downhill section. Oh. Chunky. Feature. Whoa.
So the next clip's just halfway up Examen. We were climbing to get to the top to do the downhill, but the intersection right here, there's this really awesome little skinny I wanted to try out. So that'll be what we're seeing next.
Oh, that. Oh, that looks like I'm gonna have to try it. So it's gonna take it slow. Take it slow, go nice and wide. Nice and wide, yeah, got it. And just pedal, pedal, pedal. That's it. You just calm, keep nice and calm. And then you got massive roller there. So my thoughts are generally intermediate level. I would say the hardest thing is just to get yourself lined up to get onto it. Once you're onto it, you just pedal. Take it slow, go nice and wide. Nice and wide, yeah, got it. And just pedal, pedal, pedal. That's it. You just calm, keep nice and calm.
There we go.
So just continuing up, l'examen. Ah! I wasn't sure I was gonna hit my bottom bracket. Okay, so it says experts only. Okay, whatever. So I guess these guys are calling their Black Diamonds expert trails?
Possibly.
Okay, we'll figure this one out. I think there's a couple of features, she mentioned?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna go and do it.
Put up the suspension.
Yep, here we go. Oh, nice. Oh, sick. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. It might have looked like I dabbed, but I didn't. Oh, yeah. Nice little features, man. That's cute. Oh, shit. Whoa, drop. Oh, dude. Oh, I nailed my rim on that rock. Oh, thanks for Kushcore. Damn. Totally nailed my rim. Drop. Nice. Oh! That rock? You see that rock? That nails your back rim. I dinged my rim on that rock. But I have Kushcore, so I don't care. Plus this thing's like...
That was fun.
No, I almost feel like doing it again. This whole, like just to link the whole thing. That is cool.
Yeah.
You guys' trail's friggin' nice. Friggin' nice. Nice shale there too. Oh, that's a drop. Okay, so that's a drop. Oh, fuck. Shit, man. A little bit of a drop there. Whoa. What's this? Oh, nice little drop. Oh, it's so fun. Damn, that trail's fun. Yo, that trail's so fun.
Was sick.
Yeah, that trail like short but sweet. What a fun, just so many like little side hits and drops.
God, I love that trail.
We should probably do it again. Okay, so this is downhill of Examen. Again, we're gonna tie everything together. Do a nice, complete run. Your cam's on?
Cam's on.
All right.
We're doing Examen.
Yeah, have fun. Hit all the features. Tie it all in. Here we go. A little bit of space. Nice. Okay, give you some space. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, cleared the rock completely. Nice. Whoa, shit. Oh, fuck. Dude. Oh, man. Oh, man. I knew that fucking shit was... Damn, I knew that was loose. I didn't want to do that. Fuck. Oh. Shit. Oh. Woo. Oh. I'm good. I'm like fully good. Just hope the bike's all right. More worried about that. Yeah, it was like just kind of slow, skiddy crash. Just I'm fucking stuck here. Fuck, I'm like right off the... Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. So I was debating whether to do that drop or not. Okay, let me just get out of here. So yeah, you guys, that little drop here, if you come up with too much speed, it's all loose. Loosey-goosey. I was just a little bit too wide. So, and then I went off down the friggin' mountain. So, all is good. I bailed, man. I went right off the friggin', I went halfway down the mountain.
Oh, fuck.
I hit shale. I went off that little drop and I couldn't make the turn. So I hit shale and I slipped, I washed out and I went off the side of the mountain.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, but luckily it was a slow speed crash and it was all leaves. Whoops, bike is off. I want to turn this thing on.
Okay, so we're just down at the bottom of Examen, and yeah, so brushed the dust off, fixed the bike up a bit, and all was good. Luckily, it wasn't anything too major. All part of the sport, it happens. So then we went to hit the final run here. It's La Révision, and it's a blue trail, kind of an outback, super nice trail, highly recommended. Kind of forget some of it, it was kind of long and stuff, so I guess let's go watch the video and see what it's about.
All right, so this one, Révision.
Révision.
Révision, check it out. Nice. Gear down, nice slab. Nice. Little meandering backcountry trail. Oh, yo. Oh, that looks doable. Exactly. I like that with sound effects. Love it. Okay, so a little bit of speed on that. Yeah, it's no problem. Get a nice little spin on there. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Yeah, lots of little features. Oh, you're supposed to go this way on it.
Are you?
Well, they have the signage here. Yeah, you can go that way. There you go. Continuing. Oh, that's cool. Oh shit. Oh, it's just a roller.
Hey?
It's just a roller. That's all it is, just a roller. I thought it was a drop. I was like, how can you drop that with like such little speed? Okay, nice little roller here. Woo! It gives a little compression, man. Yep. This just goes back up here. Oh. Yeah, so I guess we just continue. My bad. Let's continue on. What did you do? Skinny. Probably going back up. Yeah, I know. Nice chalet. Oh, I'm going high line. Little feature coming up. Roller. Oh, it's a really weird wall. Damn, dude. Oh, shit. What did you try to do? Wall ride that shit?
To go too high on the high line.
Yeah, you're okay. You can stay high and come here like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh man. Oh, some nice like shale here. Which way does this go? So just gonna go around, come back, roller. Just kind of goes around. Oh my god. Tons of roots here. Oh my god. Just what it that's a just tons of roots. It's a nice shale kind of bedrock. Oh yeah, okay, so right here, come up. Nice little roller. Yeah, I know, there's lots. Yeah, there's a lot of that here. That's the thing. There's a lot of like little shale, kind of slidey shale stones, pebbles if you will, in this environment. Super nice riding, but makes for a little slippy corners sometimes. That's how I fell there. Gotta put that on Trail Forks report. Tree down. Nice little roller. Oh, dude. Yeah, watch it. It's got a big compression.
Okay. Oh, right there.
Yeah, just go slow.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Big compression, eh?
Yeah.
Like a little bit of a geode at the bottom. Nice, another nice feature. This place rocks. Literally, it rocks. It's full of rocks. Oh no! Oh no! Missed that feature. No! Gotta go do it. Step number 3. It's just kind of punchy. Oh jeez. Yeah, it's just a little punchy. Makes it a little bit intimidating.
Step number 42.
There you go, you got it. There you go. Easy cheesy. It looks pretty intimidating, but it's got this like transition rock down below. It's just like perfect. You don't feel a thing.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, I'm 77. Oh, nice, nice. Suck it up. Oh, fuck. These fucking rocks, man. Nice little area there. Drop. Oh, okay, shit, that comes out there. Nice. Out of here.
So that's going to wrap up for this area here. Before we headed to the other riding zone, we wanted to check out this little trail here called Etang. And it just kind of goes around the marsh. It's super scenic, a lot of people walking and stuff. Good for beginners, families, the whole deal. And then just before we left, we just checked out the strip, which is like right here, I think. Just did a little bit of like urban up and down, checking out some of the bistros, places to eat and stuff. So I know that's a small town, but it's cute. It's got some nice lakes. It's got a little strip if you want to go out for eating, a little bit touristy, that sort of thing. So we'll go check those clips out, and then we're gonna head on over to the other zone.
All right, so we're going to this little lake gravel trail, lakeside gravel trail. Let's check it out. Nice. Nice little relaxing double track after all that crashing. All right, just continuing on the old man rip here. The scenic drive. What's that?
Little ding, ding, ding.
They never hear. Got some ducks.
Get the smell, eh?
Some little ducks on the pond. Some beautiful flowers. Look at these little guys hanging out.
Cobra chicken.
Watch out for little bombs.
You're not even scared.
The nice thing about the rail trail in Chelsea, it's you're right along the water.
Yeah, which is nice.
Yeah, it's all like, the views are like insanely nice, and it's always kind of like chilly cooler because it's you're right along the water. So this is cool. Yeah. That's Mo Gasso. Yeah, Gasso. Garceau. going back the other way. It's got some like historic kind of buildings, eh? Like, yeah. This is cool. Nice off-parade ride, bistros and stuff. It's cool. Cool little strip. Nice.
Okay, so that's going to be a wrap for the first video in this series. Hopefully that was enjoyable to watch and helpful at the same time. In the next video, we're going to be heading over to the mountainside sector, Parc des Pionniers, or Pioneer Park. There's a few major keystone trails there that are a must-do if you're in the area. They're so good. So yeah, that video should be out soon. Stay tuned, and until next time.